Hey guys, here's one of my favorite things to do to get to know my ancestors. I go ahead and click on the Family Tree app and open it up and expand my tree to several generations. One thing you can do is find an ancestor that you don't know very much about and click on that person. And once you click in there, you'll see that there's an option to read details about this person's life when they died, when they were born, where they lived, just information that's really cool about their lives. Also, you can get to know, at the top you see it says details, spouses, parents, sources, and memories. The spouses information, you can find out who they were married to when they were married, how many kids they had. Under parents, information about their parents, when their parents got married and how many siblings they grew up with. Also, sources is important because it tells where this information came from. My favorite part is memories. You can read stories about your ancestors, like this particular one talks about his experience at Zion's camp. You can also look under memories to see all kinds of different things like newspaper articles. And this particular ancestor, someone left some like voiceover stories about this ancestor or maybe one of his relatives that have told them stories. People leave all kinds of things under the memory section, like pictures and stories. And it's just a great way to get to know your ancestors a little bit better, like even see a picture of their actual tombstone. So yeah, this is one of my favorite ways to get to know your ancestor and become closer to them as you know who they are.